Meaning of labyrinthitis.
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 Labyrinthitis. Labyrinthitis is a medical condition that refers to inflammation of the inner ear. This condition can cause symptoms such as dizziness, vertigo, nausea, and hearing loss. Labyrinthitis can be caused by viral or bacterial infections, head injuries, or as a side effect of certain medications. It is important to seek medical attention if you experience any of these symptoms, as untreated labyrinthitis can lead to complications such as permanent hearing loss or damage to the balance system.